The KERDI-BOARD-E L-shaped and KERDI-BOARD-U U-shaped panels allow for quick and easy concealment of pipes and columns and simplify tile installation for these areas. The panels are supplied flat, which makes them easy to cut to the required size using a utility knife. Another option is to use the KERDI-BOARD-V to create a curved finish. Check out our Working with KERDI-BOARD video for all of the details on cutting, fastening, and waterproofing KERDI-BOARD for your installation. Let's begin. The panels feature V-shaped grooves that allow the board to fold around pipes or columns. One option is to fill the grooves with thin-set mortar. Another option is to use Schluter KERDI-Fix adhesive. KERDI-BOARD ZDK double-sided tape could also be applied in the grooves. Once the groove is filled with adhesive or tape, the panels are folded. To install the panels, apply thin-set mortar or KERDI-Fix to the area where the board will meet the substrate. Set the KERDI-BOARD firmly into place. Continue the installation, applying adhesive where all pieces of KERDI-BOARD meet each other, the wall, and the floor. Make sure to check that the boards are level and plumb. KERDI-BOARD is the perfect way to create easy coverings for pipes and columns. Schluter KERDI-BOARD. Build it, tile it, love it.